All right, welcome. My name is Precious George, and today I will be talking or sharing with you about the second secret or third secret method in earning massively in the crypto space. Okay, there are different methods for earning in crypto space. The first, and which is one of the easiest method, okay, is by staking. That's by staking particular coin. That means you buy a particular coin and you stake that coin. That every and in a scenario whereby monthly you are being you get about 2%, 3% of the total amount of coin you staked. Sometimes some coins you could see opportunities to get 30%, 40%, and more. Okay, I if you've not watched the video or gone through the video about that, it's very important that you check where I shared about how you can do so. Okay, then the second method is by trading. This is where you use what is called arbitrage. You buy low and you sell high. How do I mean? Okay, let's go to this place. Let me show you how I get that done. Okay. All right. Now I'm in my trading view. And my trading view here, there are many coins that I do check out the trades on a daily basis. Sometimes I study a particular coin on a weekly basis, and this has to do with technical analysis. Because if you want to trade, when you want to trade, the thing you have to put into cognizance is the coin, the trading coin. When do you buy? When do you sell? Is very, very important. Okay, and there are many coins. So if you want to buy any coin, before you trade any coin, you must check out first that coin. So let's say, for instance, I I wanted to check on this coin. Okay, let's see. I want to check on this coin now. That's BTC USDT. All right, BTC USDT. There are many coins I trade on. Binance, Shiba, Skip, and so many other coins. All right, so I'll make you understand something. Now, this is my trading view. Okay, for now, this is my trading view for Bitcoin. So, according to speculation, okay, when I was trading, that was okay. This is now. So now this is my lines. Okay, so according to speculation, I said okay that when Bitcoin fell down, okay, when it fell at this spot, it was around 39,505. Okay, $519 I bought. Okay, so now according to what I drew the trend, I realized that okay, it will still go up. It will still go up, and the moment it hit and passed this point, it went up to this point. That is 47,300, 609. I sold it. That's it. I sold it. And I also knew again that it will still fall down. And when it falls down, it will still hit this point again. Now, this point is more like my support. Okay. And according to the spec, if you go down a little bit, you see it. Okay. It's always hitting the support. So it went down again and hit the support point again. So I bought it at this point. So that's 39. So when it went down, so when this was acting as a resistance for me, but at this point it's still acting as a support. So when it hit down at this level, I bought it again. Then I also got to speculate based on the technical analysis that it will still go up to $56,000, $52,000 and beyond. So what I did was okay, when it just hits here from here, 41 $40,000. I sold it the moment it just hit $52,000. Now you see that it is up, and I can also analyze it again to know that okay, when it will fall down to buy it and when it also go up. That is what trading is all about. So this is the aspect of trading. Then its third aspect is by potential coins. Okay, potential coins. These are coins that, take for instance, when a coin was listed in Binance called Beta, they will make everyone know that oh, there's a coin that will be listed. It's called Beta, and what happens? You put in a particular amount of BNB, and instantly you get to what do you call it? Withdraw the moment it goes up. But the mistake most people make is that they buy that coin, they stake their BNB, and at the end of everything, they don't sell. And when they don't sell, they lose. And that's stupid. Now, look at what I mean by that. When you choose to stake in your BNB, you must be prepared for what comes ahead. You must be prepared to know when to sell and sell instantly. Okay. In one of the videos about spot trading, I explained how to do so. Buying and selling is very important. All right. So now, but now there are coins that they don't Binance don't make massive noise for. But when you just go and check them, now look at this for instance now. Okay, let's go to the market. Let's go to the market. You see what I mean? Okay. All right. Let's go to top gainers. Oh, I'm not trying to trade Lazio and Troy. Okay, let me just show you an example of what it means then. So this is a perfect example of what this means. So let me just show what I mean here now with this. This is Lazio, okay? For instance, when Lazio was to be listed, Lazio was to be listed trading at $1 per $1, right? So this is it. Let's say, for instance, about I staked before it was listed about $20 worth of Lazio, okay? I'll be getting about okay. Let's check it the market. Okay. Okay, now this is trading for Troy for now. It's not trading for USDT, but I wanted to use USDT so that I can be able to show you a perfect example now, in the sense that now $120, okay, one last you is 217 Troy, which means that if you had bought about 20 last you'll be having 20 times 217. And we convert 217 Troy to USD, you realize that you have made over 2,000%. As you can see here, within the space of 24 hours, everyone okay, who staked into this, well, what happened? We got what massive percentage increase in that. But this is because of what, and there are people who can take opportunity of this because they got to know the announcement. But let's say there are coins that Binance don't announce, but this coin turned out to become massive. Let me show you an example. All right, so we have this thing here. These are coins. Let's go down to this is markets. These top gainers, all right. Oh, crypto 24-hour change. Now these are coins that are going up so much. So if you click, if you're using the Binance app, you click on top gainers, you see some coins that are doing over 40%, 60%, and some of these coins they didn't make noise about them. So now look at now what I mean. There was a coin called Keep, for instance. Keep was in Binance. Many people didn't know about it. Then I bought it when it was still low and it was in Binance. The moment Keep went up to $1.2, I sold it instantly and I made about, and that's the percentage change from the when I bought it to when it hit that $1.2 was about 35%. So it means that for the any amount I had put in to buy that Keep, I made additional 25% times 25% of that money. All right, because it's different between 25% and this thing two what call it 25x. 25x means you are making 25 times what you put. There are some coins that do what is called 25%. Some coins do 25x. Some coins do 3x. So if I say I made 3%, it means that if I had put $10, $10, 3% of $10 is what I'm getting. If I put now, let's say for this is now rune touching. People who put let's say $100 by now, they have made 32% of $100. People who put $1,000, they have made 32% of $1,000 plus their $1,000. They will have coins that do 32 times. Now these are people that, let's say you put $1,000 and the coin did 32 times. Now it's going to be 32 times 1,000. That's they're making about $32,000. Now, for instance, now this last you did plus 2,204%. It means that if you put $100 in buying last year, for instance, okay, if you do the calculation, you will see 2,000% of $100. That's when you do the math. This more like saying this almost like saying calling it um, 10x, 10 times, 20 times. So that is how it is. Now, for potential coins, these are coins that they don't make news for. Many people don't know about these coins, but they are on this thing. They are coins that have potential. Okay. They have potential on Binance. And when you buy this coin at an early stage, after a few points in time, you sell it when it goes up. Now, it's many people don't know about the coin because it is not always in a place where people get to see it, one. And secondly, these coins, there are a lot of things you have to do to actually study if they are of good potential. Take for instance now, one of the coins that have good potential is what is called JST right now. GST is a coin that is of good potential, which I bought, and definitely it will still go up. I also bought Keep, and that coin has of good potential right now. Okay, it's Koti. Koti is a coin that's of good potential, which I bought as well. Now, many people are not aware of this coin, but the time will come when these coins just like Keep already among this list have already gone up and fell, will still buy again. Now, Koti the same thing. So that is it now. But many people don't know about this, but that's where the time frame of studying and analyzing coins comes into place. That when these coins, you just put them, you put in your money there. That means instead of you carrying $100, $500 to buy Bitcoin, is you when you put $100, $500 in Bitcoin, a person who puts $100 into this kind of coins, for instance, will make 50 or 500 times what you make by putting $100 in $500 in Bitcoin. What does it mean? Because these coins are still going up. They will still go to two. There's a particular coin we bought. We bought it at 0.00035. All right. And after a point in time, the coin went up to zero point 0.1. That's massive compared to someone who bought a coin, Bitcoin of $500 when it was $50,000, and it went to $63,000. The profit you make can never be compared with someone who bought a coin of 0.0035 and later became zero point 0.1 or 1.2. That is it. So what I'm going to do here is this: for potential, for signal, just as I said earlier, for signals and for this thing, and for potential coins, you can do a subscription part on that one. You just send me a message that you want to join the subscription list for getting potential coins or for getting signals. Then I'll be sending them to you on a weekly or 2 weeks basis. All right. So I hope you got value from this. So these are just the different ways to cash out. If you don't have enough time to focus and trade, then you can take out time to buy potential coins that gives you 10x. Then and also when you are told to buy this potential coin, you're also told when to sell it. That's it. Because what matters is buying it low, selling it high, and you move your hand, do it for other coins, and you keep growing. So I hope you got value from this. Okay. I still remain Precious George. So you can actually make sure that here's the thing. Everything I've just told you right now is not the financial advice. You have a choice to do your own research. Okay. I celebrate you. I hope you got value from this.